Hello, this is presentation video of this VASTFIRE flashlight. Let's first do unboxing of the package, then we take a little bit closer look at the flashlight itself, and then we go through its features, and finally, when it's dark, let's go outside and test how does this VASTFIRE flashlight perform. So the flashlight comes with a shoulder strap, accessories, and with a charging cable which has the USB-C connector. This package came also with a smaller package and this is a small pocket flashlight from VASTFIRE with UV light. Then we take a look at the flashlight itself. It comes with the zoomable main light and a side light, OLED digital display, and it has the window breaker under this rubber cap. Before we take this flashlight in use, let's open the flashlight and remove the plastic disc from the other end of this battery, which prevents that the flashlight won't turn on during the shipping. So this is a one big rechargeable battery. And let's turn on the flashlight for the first time. It's a really bright light. Before we start testing this flashlight, let's make sure that the rechargeable battery is fully charged. And here we can see the charging port under this rubber seal. So now the flashlight is in charging mode. And we can see the battery level as presents. This flashlight can be used as a power bank also. The power output port is located here. One really nice feature of this flashlight is that you can use the light even when the flashlight is in the charging mode. Now the battery is charged all the way up to 100% and we can remove the charging cable. So let's go through the flashlight's modes. This is the high setting, low setting, strobe warning, SOS, side light, with red light, and with the blinking mode. And you can zoom the beam to more spotlight or more as a floodlight. For hands-free use, let's try this shoulder strap. Which is adjustable. And the shoulder strap is really easy to remove also. The color temperature of this flashlight is more on the cool white side than yellowish side. So, final thoughts about this VASTFIRE flashlight. It comes with really nice features like this shoulder strap is included in the package. It has the side light with red light. You can use it as a power bank. It has the window breaker, and the light itself is really bright. So it offers great value for money. And I will put the product link in the description box below. Thanks for watching and bye.